Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds TCL with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, like on iOS. Now, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. If it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and we know it by the LED light, what blinking white and blue. And as you can see, we have them. But what if your device connected with some device? You need to disconnect or press and hold the touch control at your right earphone. At the back side, right here we have TCL name, and this one is touch control, so press and hold it for at least 5 seconds. You will hear the prompt, and this LED light also start blinking white and blue. After that, you will find your headphones at the list and you need to tap on them. And then click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!